How much did they want for that?
$25.
For all of it?
Hello, how are y'all?
Good, how are you?
Good. Glad the rain has stopped for now.
It is slowing down, isn't it?
Yeah. The cakes are delicious. I sampled two after my breakfast. He took my mama. And my mom also ran out of her containers, so she's trying to find some more containers to put her cakes in. Okay, what is this thing called?
Chromecast.
That's pretty. Interesting. Is this what they call carnival glass?
Yes.
I've never
It is.
seen it in person. I've just heard of it.
Actually, my brother had a picture that we went this morning also, and somebody bought the picture. And as him and his friend go back in the house, they're steady bringing more stuff out. So.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What do you want for a t-shirt?
$2.
$2. What do you want for the carnival glass?
You want which, all of it? What?
I'm curious to see if I could get it all as one price or individually priced. You know what I'm saying?
He's got to go get donuts more often. He's selling all this stuff.
Yeah.
Teach you to leave again. Your carnival glasses. How much? Well, he went inside to put on more clothes.
I can wait if he's coming back out.
He went to put a sweatshirt on or something. These are five a piece. What about for all of them? He's trying to get all the carnivals. All right, these are 5. This is 5 a piece. What about for all the carnivals?
5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You've got 3 yellow ones.
5 times 8, 40?
Okay, I'll go get Will. All right. I love you.
We'll wait for Will.
He's like sister. Okay, I got Will.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Hey.
all of the carnival glasses, one whole purchase. What would you want?
I like how you're adding all this, Wilbur.
15 bucks.
15
Are you giving a better deal
for
than
all of
brother?
it? All right.
He gave you a better deal than my brother was.
He sure did, and I'm gonna jump on that. He sure did. 15 bucks. Can I get change?
Sure.
How much you need?
Just a 5.
5. Yeah, we
Thank
just swap
you.
money around.
Okay, that'll work. All right.
You collect carnival glass?
I have no idea about carnival glass. I'm learning more about it.
I love it.
By-
I got a cabinet full of it in here.
Are you selling it?
Yeah, I mean,
You got another
it's more
picture in there?
expensive.
I told him you had a picture this morning that the lady bought it.
Let's see.
She's gonna be mad she didn't get those glasses this morning. But she's like, I'll come back. Okay, if yours break, you know
Yeah, I know,
why.
right?
And I'm trying to be careful with it.
Are you selling it? That's beautiful.
Hey, we just sold one of them this morning.
I know I had 2 of them.
And we'll tell you the price this morning was 20 on that.
Yeah, I paid 40 for it. You want to pay 20 for it?
Do I want to pay 20 for it?
Now look at you. I'm just. Well, let me
Well, I
stop
want 20 for it. I paid 15 for this.
Yes,
I
but
pay
that's a lot
20
bigger.
for it.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
That is that smoky color.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that's a different kind of carnival glass. It's
Oh, we're being recorded, Will.
I can turn it off.
No, you ain't calling me.
see that one's more smoky looking than this stuff is.
That one looks like it
But
kind
it
of matches
Yeah,
this.
these do match that. They do.
I'm honestly thinking that I gave you 15 for all of this, and that was a deal. So I'll give you 20 for that one.
Okay.
Because I know that was a deal for 15.
It was because my brother done price more than that.
There you go.
I'll get you some change.
No, 20 is good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Look at that.
got
Oh,
a
that's
deal.
heavy right
It's
there.
heavy.
All right. All right. Thank y'all. Thank you for the box, too.
Y'all have a good day.
So a few videos ago, I was at a yard sale where they had a lot of glassware, and I was editing that video, and I noticed carnival glass was on the table, and I completely missed it. So ever since then, I've just been curious about it more and more. These items, I paid up for them to learn the lesson, but I should make my money back at least and possibly even double it. As you can see, I can put these in different lots, sell them individually, and put in the picture with the cups, I can get a little bit more money too.
Is that stuff worth?
I probably paid 50% of what it can sell for, so. But if I split up some of this stuff, I can get more.
We're trying to raise money for the Middle Georgia equestrian team.
You own a horse?
No, ma'am.
I was going to say, you'll know how expensive it is.
Oh, that's why we don't own a horse.
Yeah, I tell people the cheapest part's buying the animal, everything else that goes in with it.
Right.
Well, they're
Mm-hmm. Doesn't have a battery cover though. That hurts its value.
Stop. Move away from the cookie jar. Stop. Move away from the cookie jar.
I like that.
Stop. Move away from the cookie jar.
$10?
it's got batteries in it.
Oh yeah, that's why it's 10? Okay.
It's got rare batteries, so we'll at least 10.
Not 25. Shillings. I think I do want to get these two items right here.
Okay, it has a globe on it. I thought we were taking
5 and 8. Would you take 10 for both?
Yeah.
That's the best I do on that.
Sounds good.
Dad, he just wants the bottom. Where's it a set?
Do what?
He said he just needs the bottom.
No, that's
Thank
why
you.
we put them in, we stack them.
Oh, okay.
So you want to come over here and try them on?
No, sir. My buddy told me you had them over here, and I'm interested if they're real, but I'm trying to get the sole out so I could look at the stitching on the inside. There we go.
Hold on, guys.
So let's talk about these shoes for just a minute. I learned that he was asking $75 a pair. And I'm not a shoe connoisseur, as you've learned from my other videos, but I have learned one or two things, and these are just jumping out at me as fake. They're not heavy, they're very light, the material does not feel quality, and the stitching seems off underneath the insole. I can't find an exact comp for this particular retro one of these Jordans, and these LeBrons are maybe about 85 bucks if they are real. So I'm deciding to pass. He didn't say anything when I asked if they were real.
Really?
Yeah. I said, I'm just looking inside to see if they're real. And he goes, he just looked away and he pointed the other way. These shoes yours? How much would you want for them? $25? Okay. Not a bad price. Just a little bit more than I'd wanted to spend.
Hey, I'll do 20 on those. I thought it was Air Jordans.
No, I was thinking closer to maybe 15-ish.
I'll do it.
We'll do 15?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I can do that. I can do 15.
All right.
Wiffle ball bat. Official made in the USA. I don't know if these are still good or not, but I'm gonna get anyway. What'd you say?
So where did the wind come from all of a sudden?
I know. Is this your sale, sir?
Pardon?
Is this your sale?
It's
Yeah.
How much you want for the little bat, baseball bat? 50 cents? I want to see if I can spend some more money then.
And if they're dry, so I got a couple of little ones. Make them a rock out of them. Yeah.
I appreciate that.
RO King 56. Alright, we bought all these.
$5 piece.
$5 a piece?
$1 a piece.
Oh shoot, you about scared me.
$1 a piece.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 5?
Sounds good to
That
me.
work?
Okay. I wanted to look at this radio.
Well, that ain't cheap.
Does that work?
It does work.
It ain't cheap. What's not cheap?
$100.
$100.
That's about $300 radio.
I have no idea about that. I just thought it was cool.
It's about $300 a mic. That's a Road King. You hard
Yeah.
to find them. That's about a $50 mic.
I saw this picture on the front, and that's what got my attention.
Yeah. They used to be really sought after years ago.
Really?
Yeah, I quit trucking, so I don't need it anymore.
Yeah, I can't come off $100 not knowing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But I'll give you 5 for these things. You got change? Oh, nope, I got a 5 in here.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
They got goats. I wonder how bad Paige would be if we brought home a goat. I need to take a picture of your goat. Do you mind?
You can buy one.
Oh, shoot. I want to send it to my wife and see what she says. I'm going to prank her.
You gonna tell her you got one?
Yeah. Tell her I'm bringing home a goat. See how bad she freaks out.
She probably think it's cute.
Probably.
That's stronger. I think the animal's stronger.
I'll let you know what she says. She said, is it a fainting goat?
No, they don't.
Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. So what kind of movies y'all got? Robert De Niro.
Different ones there. Our players quit playing, so.
Yeah? We got any players? Because I like those players too.
I just sewed too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. They had a player, the VHS and the DVD.
Oh, man, I love those things. I got here a little too late.
Just missed them. I mean, they just. And then,
What'd you sell them for?
You probably make you sick.
Oh, yeah?
I sold them for $5 each.
Oh, you're right. I am so sick.
This is for sale.
You got any more?
No.
Okay.
I don't think he's got it. I'll have him look at the shelf. probably won't be around here tomorrow, huh?
I absolutely will be around here tomorrow.
I don't know if we have any more in the shed, but I will have him check.
All right.
My
Thanks.
luck, right?
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Paige said, does it give milk? Being it's a boy goat, I don't think it does. Hey, what's up, buddy? We got Paul and Matt. What's up? You traveled for this one.
Yeah.
I hope it's worth your time.
First round sale. How you doing?
Adam.
Hey, how you
Good to
doing,
meet
Matt?
you, buddy.
Nice to meet you, man. BaldyPal, right?
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Cool, yeah.
What's up, tall boy?
Who let you guys in here, man?
I don't know. I think we actually just snuck around the gate. What's up, girl? You doing okay?
Yeah,
Take it
how's it going?
Doing wonderful.
Dude,
Good to see
you guys
you.
are like this much too late. I just found the best thing I've ever found in my life at this sale.
Sorry to disappoint you guys, but I'm not going to let her secret out. You're going to have to go to her video and watch that one. But it was really cool running into these guys out here on the 341 Beaches to Beaches yard sale. Especially Matt. I did not expect to see him travel all the way out from California, but I'm glad he made the trip. Later that evening, we got to hang out and have a few drinks and chat up reselling and YouTube and all that good jazz.
Who are you with? Oh, Flippy.
Flippy?
Flippy Dick Fleers? I about said Flipperson. Flitterson. So is that the crew you're rolling with today?
It is.
Nice.
We got a full truck too, man. I'll tell you what.
What's your best find so far?
So far, I don't know because some of them I still haven't looked up.
Oh,
But
okay.
he's found a really nice set of golf clubs.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna say I let him have it, but
He's the golf club guy though, right?
he really is. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know me in electronics. Mitsubishi VCR, and that's all I see that's worth it. I don't see it in the VCR.
Dig him out. Dig him out.
Ah, I got my tote. There we go. I think that's probably about a $40 VCR right there.
Heck yeah.
How much did you want for the VCR, sir?
$5.
$5.
Yep.
That's worth it, even if I don't know if it works.
Huh, I plug it in. We can plug it in and see if it comes on.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll come on. It's whether or not it eats that tape or not, you know?
Yeah,
But
I would use one of those cleaners on it personally.
Oh, I got those at home for sure.
Okay.
But for $5, it's worth it.
I hear
Appreciate the deal. I'm trying to think. We got so much. I honestly don't know what my best find is so far. I mean, the truck is literally full of both of our stuff.
What are you guys in?
In his SUV right there, the Toyota 4Runner. Yeah.
That's I drove a 4Runner too.
Look at that. We'll be on the lookout for you. If we see the white 4Runner, we know we need to get ahead of them.
He didn't hear you, but yeah. Which way are you guys going?
We're headed back towards Perry.
Oh, is that where you guys are staying in Perry?
Mhm.
Okay.
We went north today, but it was raining a lot.
Yeah.
We still found some good stuff, but I honestly feel like if we were to go north again, we could get more.
Yeah, because there'll be so much more tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Salon Master 12 piece.
By the way, shout out BaldyPal.
What's up, Kayla?